Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good night, depending on your time zone. Today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I want to tell you some things we see in the kitchen and their names in Ukwani language. Kitchen in Ukwani is useku. Kitchen is useku. So today you'll be patient with me because I'm going to take you around this kitchen as we identify some things that we can see in the kitchen and what we call them in Ukwani language. I have here mortar, odo. Mortar is odo. Then the pestle that we use in pounding in the mortar is ekodo. Then beside the mortar, you are seeing pot. Pot is ite. What we call pot is ite. Then you can see gallon. Gallon is ogbogolo. Gallon is ogbogolo. Just exercise patience. You can see you have cups there. Inside the shelf, we still have a name, Ukwani name for shelf. What we call shelf is uko. This is a modern days uko. Shelf is uko. Then the things we can see in the shelf here, we have cup. Cup in Ukwani is okuku meal. Then you can see some breakable plates there. Breakable plate is efolotipo because plates is efele. Plate is efele. You are seeing some spoons here. Spoon. What we call spoon in Ukwani is ngaji. Spoon is ngaji. Then knife or gari, or you can say ngogari. Then there's matches here. Matches is okoibo. Matches is okoibo. There's a blender here. Though blender is what we use in grinding, and in those days what we use is grinding stone, and the native name for grinding stone is omu or omoma, and the hand of the grinding stone we call it ekomo. But now, as in, you can see that this kitchen is a modern kitchen, so there is no grinding stone here, but there is a blender here. So blender can be say omu oyibo, because what we use in grinding in those days is omu. So blender, as we still use it to blend, can be termed as omu oyibo. We have soap for washing. Soap is in cha. Soap is in cha. Then we have a sponge. Sponge is achicha or ezozo. Then this sponge we use in washing plate, we can say achichai chaife. Achichai chaife. You can see some things also in the kitchen. You are seeing onions, which is either otita or aribosa or ayabashi. There's yam in the kitchen. Yam is iji. You can see gari there. Gari is even a native name. It is not an English name. Gari is not an English name. Just be viewing the kitchen. You can see many things. We also have basin. Basin is efeli gbeju. You know, basin is a little bigger than bowl, or let me say a big bowl. Efele igbeju. Then what tripod? What maybe in Warri they say gege. Tripod is igege. Tripod is igege. Then we have bottle. Bottle is onono or ogo. Bottle is onono or ogo. Then lamp is ukbe. Fire, so there is no fire here, but if they want to do anything fire, they go outside. Fire is oko. Then firewood is nko. Then funnel is ugbene. So just take a look again. Let me take you around this kitchen. See by yourself a lot of things there that we have mentioned. The major one, you can see efele there, you can see ite there, pot, you can see chef there, uko. I'm just repeating myself. You can see iji there. Then if you check well inside this place, you see plantain inside this rubber, which is une. Plantain is une. You can see gallon there, ugbogoro. You can see pot there, ite. You can see mortar there, odo. I'm just taking you around again and again. A lot of things in the kitchen. Chef, as I told you, that chef is uko. You can see okuku mili there, which is cup. You can see ngaji, okwo iwo matches, plate efele. There is salt there, which is nu. If you want to go deep, you say noyo. You can see there is even an egg here, which is a kwokoko. Like I told you in one of my editions, that okoko is fowl, egg is ekwokoko. So a lot of things that you can see, some ingredients that we've talked about, you can see them here. The spoons, cutleries, you have spoon, knife there. So I will leave you here. Like I always say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you, and God bless you.